just to clarify one thing, HIDDIME is a cloud-based analytics tool that is owned by a company called Lead Semantics, which I'm the founder and CEO. And the talk today was on smart data lakes. And smart data lakes, it comes in, we have found that it came in at a time when a lot of folks are finding issues with the ordinary big data lakes. And our attacking this problem comes from applying semantic technology, and that is our experience, for the last decade and plus, so that was the topic. HIDDIME is a self-service cloud-based analytics tool, and it uses semantic technology at the back end to organize the data that you want to analyze in a different way than typical regular relational technologies do. And by that, the advantages are many, as we have actually had a chance to showcase. You are able to do the usual cube-based analysis that people expect, the usual grid-based analysis that people expect out of the regular BI and visualization. In addition to that, you can do graph analysis. And in addition to that, you can actually, at runtime, at the actual runtime, you can add in new data sources. So you have orders of magnitude of additional benefits that come with using this type of technology. And HIDDIME kind of is packaging all that. One important thing is that I think the flexing, the inflection point for big data is over. That's already come and gone in my perspective and in our experience. I think it is already surpassed normal individual point-specific big data analytics situation anymore. As we have seen in the talk itself, out of probably 600, 700 people, there were about 40% or more that have already are talking about data lakes. Data lakes are an additional abstraction on top of individual point big data clusters. These are like aggregates of multiple big data clusters. So you are going orders of magnitude in terms of complexity, in terms of big data analysis and so on. And so the trend it appears it is going to continue with the Internet of Things. More data will be added to this pool, and so on and so forth. And people's expectations are also going the same way. One important thing, and a couple of other speakers also spoke to that, is the skill not necessarily at the technical level. Being able to connect the technology and the math and statistics and all that to the business problem, and being able to articulate that in terms of the value proposition that business is looking for. And as one of the speakers aptly put, no matter how complicated and sophisticated the data science looks, it doesn't matter if it doesn't solve the problem, or if the stakeholder doesn't understand how it will in the end solve the problem. No matter how the complex math is working and so on. So that's one I think is going to be increasingly key challenge. And we come to the table with a different type of technology, which is definitely the benefits are like manyfold, as I have discussed, and a lot of people have come forward to literally point to that. That requires a different type of skill. It requires information modeling, and so again we'll see that there are a lot of gaps that in the skills and how they connect to the business problem that will kind of come to the forefront. It's very good actually. Yesterday coming in, we were very suspicious of what to expect to begin with, but I'm glad first of all you all have kept us informed through emails and such. That was very appreciated. The second thing is, upon coming here, we realized that gosh, I mean, if we did not come, then we would have missed. And I would go on to say that folks that may have were thinking and didn't show up for those reasons, they have missed it.